This is the Heatware multifunction heat press from am.co.za. The full package has 9 amazing functions. In this mini-series, we have 3 videos that talk about these functions. This is the second video, in which we talk about the functions by replacement of the bottom part. If you haven't watched the first part, that introduces functions by replacement on the top part, you can find it on YouTube by searching for Achievement Matters videos. Here is the default setup, the t-shirt press, with heating element on top and support flat surface at the bottom. You can swing the top heating element away and place the t-shirt here for pressing. The pressing is achieved by way of the press handle, and the top crank wheel is to adjust pressure. Now let's swing the top heating element to the side and locate the wing nuts, loosen them, and remove the support structure for the flat press. Here is the shoe press attachment. To replace it, push the holes through the threaded bars and then lock with the wing nuts. Plug this cable into the main unit. It provides power to the heating element and also gives feedback and current temperature from the integrated heat sensor. This shoe press allows you to press 2 pairs of shoes at a time. Slide the shoes on as though fitting them onto a foot. Secure in place and press. If you need to press both sides of the shoes, you will need to press twice. The shoe press is for you to press on the sides of the shoe, but what if you wanted to press on the front piece of the shoe? The solution is to use the plate press. Check out the first video about the plate press. Now let's move on to the hat press. In the previous video, we showed you how to put the heating element on top. Let's put it on again, like this. Then the bottom. We need to place this supporting structure to provide the curved surface that matches the heating element shape. To do this, remove the wing nuts and remove the attachment currently at the bottom. Then place this hat press support at the center and lock it with the wing nuts. Make sure that it matches the heating elements on top. Now you can put the hat here and press like this. Don't forget to watch the third video for mugs and cups. Besides our YouTube channel, you can also visit our video collections on univision.co.za. If you like our heat press, please call our sales on 060 600 6000 and ask for the Heatware heat press combo or individual attachments, which we always have in stock. Please visit heatware.co.za for more information about our heat press and am.co.za for our other machines as well. Thank you for watching.